Hello friends. The other day my friend showed these oil pastels from Pentel. They are super cheap and they are very good. I remembered that I bought the same set but never tried. I put these Pentels in this Kuretake Gansai boxes because it's perfect fit for them. I just cut the parts and put it here because the box is nice and sturdy, and I put all my kuretake in this one because it is fit to my cabinet with all my supplies better. We are painting today scene from movie Atonement, and it is this one with these oil pastels. I want to show this gentle cozy feeling on this painting, and we will use this color, super light blue, this one. It is very nice. Then I want to use more darker greens, so we will use probably this one, maybe even this one and this, and then maybe some blues, darker blues, or maybe even this one. Then I want to use this for background, this dark gray for the sky, pink, dark and light yellow, lavender color, and this dark purple, maybe even this one. That is my choice of colors, and of course we will use white because we will mix with white. We will start from the sky with this super light blue. And also we can put this lightness here on the bottom. And now it's smudging. Then we will take this little bit darker blue, and just here and there we will put some and also here between the sun rays. So now a bit of darker colors here up. Then the pink is mostly here. Then maybe even a little bit of this lavender. and this darker purple, and then this dark gray on these clouds because these ones are really dark. So that is that. Then the sun. The sun is white in the middle, but it is then yellow around, and it has some rays here and also up. So we need very carefully to work on this. And then we will work on this field, and background on the field will be this color, yellow gray. So this is the background, and music we are listening today is from the game Free Lofi Sounds. Then we have this dark blue also. We have some blue in the grass. So we will put it like this. And we will smudge everything. Now we will work on the character here. And he is very dark because he is in the shadow. So I will show his face like dark and his hands and hair darker. And then this suit of his, because he is a soldier, so he have this color suit. And then letters in his head. So I will show it like this with white. And this part here is some dark chest. Lean on it, not lay. Oh my God. Like this. And then we have a lot of grass. And that is everything. Now we will take darker green, and we will show the grass in the distance is smaller, shorter. Now we need a little bit white in the distance. And now I want to add a little bit of lavender, or maybe even this violet color. So now just his eye, maybe here. You can't really see because all the face, everything is in some kind of shadow. And I think that is my painting. It is very foggy. I want this foggy feeling. Maybe also here to add a little bit fog. It is sad scene. I think a character is wounded in this scene, but I'm not so sure. Maybe I forgot or mixed. So thank you guys for watching and see you in 3 days. Bye.